It is time now for Recipe of the Week.
Okay,
Now,
what are we doing?
As you know, I am doing a healthy detox with producer Jamie and many of you out there who are following on the Kara's Cares Facebook group, so thank you for joining. So we're eliminating some unhealthy food groups.
Right.
And we have to eat a lot of greens and salads, so we also needed to find something that I could actually eat and make this week. So we decided that Dr. Artemis Morris, thank you, who's governing our cleanse, she gave us a detox guide with some recipes on it, including she says we should all make our own salad dressings because they're cheaper and they're better for you.
All right, so I like the lemon garlic dressing. I'm not a big, huge ginger fan. If it's in a salad dressing, maybe I would like it, but we're gonna have to give it a try.
So you're making lemon garlic dressing,
okay,
and I'm making ginger turmeric dressing. And according to Dr. Artemis and our nutritionist who's helping us, Lisa, we do these kinds of things. They can stay in the refrigerator for like a week, and we'll be able to have good, healthy things that actually help us.
And I need salad dressing for my salad this
afternoon.
afternoon.
And it is true. When you buy the ones at the store, they're expensive, and they have all kinds of added sugars and fillers. So,
okay.
All right, you're doing lemon garlic. So you're doing 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and lemon and garlic and salt and pepper. Okay, you're whisking. So I'm gonna do. Oh look, we got my own bottle. Extra virgin olive oil, according to our detox, is really important. Because it helps us with our inflammation, it helps us detoxify. So I need a lot, 1.5 cups of olive oil.
Oh my God, I just needed 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Juice from half a lemon.
Have you ever made your own salad dressing before?
Never in my life.
Yeah, I don't usually do it either. I made it once. Nora O'Donnell put something on her Instagram. Her husband's a chef, and
oh, seriously?
It was pretty easy. It's sort of like what you're doing.
All right, so I'm squeezing the lemon, right? We don't have a lemon, like one of those things, right?
Well, squeeze it into your hand so the seeds go into your hand.
Really? There's no seeds in there.
Okay, good.
Here we go.
All right. 1.5 cup of olive. Now I need 2 teaspoons.
All the seeds just came out.
Of turmeric. Yeah, see?
I'll get them. I'll get them, Kara. Don't you worry.
All right, so I need 2.5 teaspoons of turmeric.
Can I have some of the pulp in it?
I think that's okay. I don't know.
I'm really getting the juice out of this. Yeah.
All right, so the turmeric has been done in many studies to help anti-inflammatory. You know, a lot of people make golden milk. That's on the internet where they put the turmeric in your milk, kind of like a hot chocolate.
Okay.
So I guess this will be really good for us.
Let me get the
And people are trying to figure out ways to use turmeric. So here, put it in your salad dressing. All right, 2 teaspoons. And I need 1/3 cup of red wine vinegar for mine.
1 to 2 garlic cloves crushed.
Okay, do you remember how Chef Plum taught us to crush?
No.
Okay, do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Let me show you in a second. Here, will you help me with mine? Will you do 1/3 cup of red wine vinegar? Chef Plum taught us this. And every chef that's ever been on our show taught us.
Okay, well, I'll watch. Oh, maybe I'll learn this time.
This knife isn't so great. How many cloves do you need?
2.
Can I have the bigger knife?
Yep.
All right, so we took out 2 cloves. Remember he always told us, just smash.
Oh, yeah. Well, that part I know. I'm just getting the cloves out, though.
Yeah, but that's what gets them out.
So this goes in here?
Yeah. Is that 1/3 cup?
Yep.
All right, give me 1/2 cup of lemon juice. I'll help you with your garlic. I need some garlic, too. I need 3 garlic cloves in mine.
Can I have that green?
This one?
Yeah. 1/2 cup?
Where's the music?
I hear it.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Mine's not coming in my eyes. So you might need to let me know if they're saying anything else.
What is this, Karen?
1/2 cup of lemon juice.
1/2 cup of lemon juice. Lemon juice in the fridge.
But you can just use the lemon juice. I want real lemon.
We don't have 1/2 cup's worth.
Sure we do.
Are you kidding me? Look, I got like hardly anything out of that.
That's probably not organic. Okay.
Organic.
Oh, guess what?
What?
I accidentally put the garlic in mine. But I need it too, so I'll give yours in a second.
Look, it's organic.
It is? Oh, good. All right.
1/2 cup?
Uh-huh. All right, so here's I needed 3 cloves. Is that good? All right.
I think this is just about 1/2 cup.
How many cloves do you need?
2. All right, we're putting 1/2 cup in there, right?
Yep, that's what it says. And then I need a piece of fresh ginger root.
Okay.
Okay, so this is really good because we're gonna have salad dressing for like the week. This is a big clove. Do you think that'll
that's
count for
good
two?
enough. Right. Do
That's
I smash
huge.
it?
No, you can just, I think, oh, yours is not being blended. Yeah, you need to cut it up. Mince it up.
Cut it up?
We only have a minute. Okay, so a teaspoon of salt. Make it like, smush it and make it tiny so that, are you using the wrong end of the knife?
No.
Oh yeah? Okay. All right, 1 teaspoon of salt.
I'm mincing it.
You are? Okay. At home I have a mincer. All right. And I need ginger root, a piece, just a piece. I guess I just cut off a piece. Anyone at home? I like ginger, but I don't ever really cook with it. Do I have to worry if I didn't peel it? I guess
Salt
not.
and pepper to taste. Black pepper.
Okay, I'm supposed to blend mine now.
We have salt.
We have salt, yeah. I'm gonna blend mine. Let's make sure.
A little salt.
I always get nervous when I use a blender on this
Whisk
show.
all ingredients together in a bowl. Use as a dressing for. This is it. Okay.
Okay, now it says. That looks good, right? All right, what do you think?
All right, I think we're gonna give it a shot. Dip a little.
What do you think? Put it on your. We have our. So look, mine's a pretty kind of yellow color, from all the turmeric and stuff. Really? Did you think it maybe just a little on the salad?
It's delicious.